When it comes to interior design, few things are as beautiful as the look of natural wood. This trend in decorating has always been popular due to the fact that it is eco-friendly, versatile, and will never go out of style. Depending on how you use it, wood can create a rustic feel or give off an air of elegance. Either way, these wood decor ideas will add a natural element that make your home feel warm and inviting. Your furniture is an accomplishment you can be proud of. Whether it's something you moved into your home yourself or had professionals set up, your savings and budgeting will have paid off. And when you just need time to relax after a long day of work, few things can be as inviting as new comfy furniture to come home to. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wood decor could be used in several places across our house. Wood decor on the walls provides a beautiful, rich element to your space. Using a wooden frame for your favorite artwork will bring out the warm colors in the painting. For a fun do-it-yourself project, purchase a simple, unfinished wooden frame and glue on a variety of small sticks and branches from your yard or the nearby woods. Using pallet wood is another option for the rustic look, and it is a creative way to stretch your budget. If you want a more refined look, search for an elegant piece with a sanded smooth surface, a beautiful finish or intricate carvings. If you want to add a touch of wood without splurging on a large item like a table or couch, consider using smaller items to accent the design theme that you already have in place. A simple wooden crate can be nailed to the wall and double as a shelf. A fence plank can be sawed into pieces to create a canvas for a painted wood sign. Or, if you are looking for a less rustic wooden look, try placing a sleekly carved wooden sculpture on a metal or glass table. It will bring out the warm colors in your room without removing any of the elegance. A beautiful wooden candle holder may be just what you are looking for. Wood provides extra texture and comfort to different spaces in the home. This is especially true when wood isn't used elsewhere. Whenever you have a space that doesn't have a wood floor, try to put wood somewhere else in the main rooms. As a specialty wall treatment, wood has great capacity. Indeed, wood accent walls are an area of residential home design that have been getting more attention lately. Home exteriors are a great place to incorporate the beauty and functionality of wood. You can use wood for details on gable fences and even outdoor showers to give the house texture and make it look more visually appealing. Among the different types of wood, teak wood is known to be the best wood for furniture. Furniture made with teak wood is quite expensive, however the money spent is totally worth it, as the furniture remains in good condition for decades without the need to spend much time and money on its maintenance. It is highly fire resistant. White ants and dry rots are also not able to damage this wood. This makes it all the more popular. Rich brown in color, the furniture made of this material looks appealing. Pine is a soft wood. This makes it easy to cut and carve. It is derived from different types of pine trees. Its light yellowish color looks appealing and also camouflages minor stains. However, pine wood available from different trees may vary in color to some extent. It also differs in terms of quality. It is suggested to go for wood furniture made with high-quality pine to ensure they are reliable. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.